Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Hand embroidery is a beautiful art that has been loved for many years. It is creative and relaxing hobby that allows people to decorate clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags and many other things with colorful thread designs. Today we will talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs and ideas that are simple, stylish and easy to enjoy. Many people love hand embroidery because it adds a personal and handmade touch to everyday items. Even simple stitches can create amazing patterns and make fabric look elegant and unique. Beginners and experts both enjoy embroidery because there are endless design possibilities. One of the most popular embroidery designs is floral embroidery. Flowers are timeless and always look beautiful on fabric. Roses, sunflowers, daisies, lavender and teeny wildflowers are common choices. Floral patterns can be bright and colorful or soft and simple depending on your style. Many people use floral embroidery on dresses, cushions, dupattas and handbags. Leaf patterns are also very popular in hand embroidery. Green leaves stitched with soft thread colors create a fresh and natural look. Leaves are often combined with flowers to make full garden style embroidery design. These patterns look lovely on handmade embroidery items and clothes. Another beautiful idea is simple border embroidery. Borders can be stitched on sleeves, necklines, scarves and table runners. Small repeated patterns such as flowers, vines or geometric shapes make fabric look neat and stylish. Border embroidery is perfect for beginners because the designs are easy to follow. Mirrorwork embroidery is also a favorite in many cultures. Small mirrors are stitched into fabric with colorful thread to create traditional and festive designs. This type of embroidery is often used on dresses, bags, and decorative cushions. Mirrorwork looks bright, rich, and eye-catching. Many people also enjoy modern minimalist embroidery. These designs are simple and elegant with small flowers, leaves, hearts, patterns. Minimal embroidery looks beautiful on shirts, jackets, tote bags and wall arts. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.